Right. So now what doing now is going to put these seats back in. The bolsters for each of the corners are in the back. And what I'll do is I'll replace the seats and hopefully show you how to fit them back together again. Not sure how to do this, but I took it out so I can surely put it back in again. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into the back seat and work with this one. Now you've got these which will go into a screw on this side, and then there's two screws here which carry the second split part of the seat, and it connects up into the corner over here. What I have to do with this particular seat is there's a bolt or a metal rod that goes through here, which obviously connects the two seats together. These are the screws. They're a size 13, so fairly easy to fit in. So let me bring the other seat in as well. Took the opportunity to actually clean the seats quite thoroughly, give them a nice amount of leather feed and clean. So you can now see what we're talking about with the other part of the seat itself. So my hope here is that if I can balance this one, there we go. So they're together. So sliding this over should be able to locate this one in place. Yep. Sorry, I'm going to get away the camera. Quickly tighten up some of the screws here, just so it doesn't fall out. Rotating the other one here so it gets into the right place. Trying not to drop the screw down or the nut. Sorry, I'm breathing heavily again. It's the stress of trying to put all this together at the same time. And finally, try not to drop the earbuds. Put this one on. So again, just hand tightening that one up. So I'm just going to hopefully that's tightened up. Go for the same the other side. This is just drawing it in. Probably try and position this now. Okay, that's tightened up. And then again with these ones just under here. Sorry, head's in the way again. Apologise. Okay, so now we have the split seats in place. And just to prove that they're working, one rolls down there, second one here in the way of the camera, and they'll lock in. So what I'm now going to do is introduce the bolster on this side, and I'll probably show you again with my other camera what we're looking at here. I'm just using my other camera. I'm now just using my other camera, and you can see what we're going to latch into down here and up here. So let me get the bolster out of the car, assuming I've got the right side here. Thinking this looks like the right way around. Offer this up down there. Now you can see that we've got the part of the body internal paneling in the way. I'm just going to move that out of the way, and then I'm going to push this into situ once I've done it. So let me just snag it around here. Move the body paddling out. Slide it down. So that's slid down. Come up into here. Check that I've got it in the right place. Nothing's caught. Push it in. Bring the seat back up. Okay, seat mechanism is not latching. So, that's because it's in the locked position. Let me pull that out. There we go. Goodness knows why they've done that. Right, seat is in place on that side. I'll do the same with the other one. I will stop the recording because I'm pretty sure you've seen enough, and we'll then put the seat back in for the rear seat panel. You can possibly see that side, so maybe I will leave it open. No, I'll leave it. Right, last parcel of the puzzle, gonna fit the seat. So before you leave the video, please give it a thumbs up if it was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. More importantly, please comment down below if you think the dealer was charging the right amount of money for that repair, because I'm still surprised that cost me £311 before VAT to get that mechanism to be replaced, and also to get that wiring loom added in. Bear in mind, they'd already charged me £162 or £155 before VAT just to cut the lock open to get into the car, which is all that I'd asked them to do originally, because I was quite prepared to fit the lock myself to get hold of it. So I'll do the work now, but please comment. I mean, I think that's going to be important for Jaguar Land Rover to hear, but also equally important for the dealerships to understand that we're really just not impressed with these charges. Okay, so to fit this, I'm just now going to feed through the seatbelt elements. This is going to be tricky, I know, because they're not easy to get in and out the best of times. Here it comes through. So that's one side. Let's get the other side in through as well. That's coming up. Less and less room to do this, but anyhow, it should fit. Nice thing is it's actually carpeted underneath here, so you're not going to scratch your watch or anything stupid like that. Again, not simple, but not difficult either. It's just a case of shoving it through. Always had it in. It's cold outside, so fingers aren't working quite as well as they should. Okay, so that's it in situ now. So I just need to button up the other side and finish it off. There we go, all clipped in. Let's pull the passenger seat belt into play. So that's now in situ. Now, if the passenger is looking to sit in the car, they can with the seatbelt strap. May have got that the wrong way around. Yeah, looks like it. Okay, I may clip that in the other way around, but fundamentally, that's everything placed back in the car. If I'd managed to do this myself, it would have just cost me the parts, rather than obviously using the dealer. But as I really couldn't get into the back of the car any other way, and I felt that maybe there was a redress with Jaguar Land Rover. Maybe they would actually recognise that this was a premature failure, and they might actually offer me some compensation, but they didn't. So thanks, Jaguar Land Rover. Much appreciated for your understanding, and the same for the dealership. I'm shocked about the dealer, really shocked. Okay, hopefully this helped. Again, take care, all the best. Cheers, bye bye.